Hello students, you are welcome to a 6th period class on first PUC mathematics, very important chapter, that is trigonometric functions. Dear students, I think in the previous class video we have discussed clearly, thoroughly the main important trigonometric identities. So has been all children, there are 8 boxes. Okay, I need not to explain you people those and all once again. Okay, so then after that, so we have practiced clearly how to convert radian to degree and degree to radian measure. Okay children, so in this class I would like to introduce today, that is radian measure and formula for radian measure and some problems based on radian measure. Then after that, let us go for doing the prove that or show that problems in this chapter. Okay children, all of you open your notes, put that line radian measure, put that line radian measure. Children, it's very important, radian measure. Maybe in the exam we can expect define radian measure. So radian measure is a radian measure is an angle. Radian measure is an angle. Subtends. Radian measure is an angle. Subtends an arc at the center of the circle, radian measure is an angle, subtends an arc at the center of the circle which is equal to the radius of the circle, which is equal to radius of that circle. Understand children? Here radian measure is an angle. Radian measure is an angle, subtends arc at the center which is equal to the radius of the circle. See children? So it is a circle. It is a circle. Radian measure is an angle, subtends at the center of the circle. Radian measure is an angle, subtends an arc. See, subtends an arc. So here arc. So this is what we called as arc. This arc we are going to call as L. So this is I would like to take O. This is radius. It is also radius. So this is what we called as theta. So this is what we called as radian measure. Radian measure is an arc. Radian measure is an arc. Radian measure is an arc, or radian measure is an angle, subtends arc. Radian measure is an angle, subtends arc. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Radian measure is an angle. Radian measure is an angle. Radian measure is an angle, subtends arc at the center of the circle which is equal to the radius of the circle. That is L is equals to r theta. It's a very important famous formula you have to keep always in your mind. Radian measure is an angle subtend at the center of the circle by an arc which is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay children, radian measure is an angle, subtends an arc at the center of the circle which is equal to the radius of the circle. Once again children, radian measure is an angle, subtends at the center of the circle by an arc which is equal to the radius of the circle. That is L is equals to r theta. So here you should write where L is equals to arc length. L is equals to arc length. R is nothing but radius of circle. Radius of circle. Again, theta we are going to call as radian measure or angle. Angle or radian measure. Okay children, I hope clear ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ some problems. Now let us discuss one by one. Okay children, before that once again listen to me. A radian measure is an angle subtends an arc at the center of the circle which is equal to the radius of the circle. Once again children, radian measure is an arc. Radian measure is an arc. Sorry, radian measure is an angle. Radian measure is an angle. Radian measure is an angle subtends at the center of the circle by an arc. By an arc which is equal to the radius of the circle. Radian measure is an angle subtends at the center of the circle by an arc which is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay children, I hope definition clear ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ mind always while we are doing the problems. Okay children, just to pause the video and take down the definition along with formula, figure. Then after that let us do some problems based on radian measure, that is L is equals to r theta. Or I will take another definition. Radian measure is an angle subtends at the center of the circle by an arc. By an arc which is equal to the radius of the circle. I think it is also best definition. Okay children, radian measure is an angle. Radian measure is an angle subtends at the center of the circle. See, radian measure is an angle. Radian measure is an angle subtends at the center of the circle by an arc which is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay children, once again, see children, radian measure is an angle subtends at the center of the circle by an arc which is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay children, just to pause the video and take down the definition. Okay children, now I shall take up one problem based on radian measure, that is L is equals to r theta. L is equals to r theta. One simple problem, that is find the radius, find the radius of the circle, find the radius of the circle in which a central angle of 60 degree intercepts an arc of length 37.4 centimeter. Here they are given one hint, that is pi value 22/7. Children, I think it's very simple problem. So here we should find radius of the circle. Let us take down the data what they are given us. We should find radius of the circle in which central angle they are given us, that is theta value 60 degree. They are given us a theta value 60 degree, intercepts an arc of length. They are given us L value also. Okay, let us write down the given data, children. It's very simple, children. Find the radius of the circle, that is r is equals to question mark. Central angle of 60 degree, that is theta is equals to 60 degree, and also they are given us arc length, that is 37.4 centimeter. See how simple here we have the problems. Clear focus ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Find the radius of the circle, r is equals to question mark. Central angle they are given us, that is 60 degree, theta is equals to 60 degree. We should convert that theta is equals to radian measure. Arc of length 37.4, L is equals to 37.4. Okay, children. So we have a formula for that. We know that. So what we know that L is equals to r theta. Children, if theta is equal to 60 means, so the value of 60 degree in radian measure is pi/3. Okay, L is equals to r theta. So here we should find the value of r. Therefore r is equals to L/theta. So that is r is equals to, the value of L is 37.4 divided by the value of theta is pi/3. Is right, or as it is 37.4 divided by the value of pi is 22/7. The value of pi is 22/7. Before that, children, I will show you in simple. The value of L is 37.4. Okay, we have taken. The value of theta is pi/3. Okay, children, let us write pi here. If I take 3 to numerator, that is 3/1. Again r is equals to 37.4 into 3 divided by the value of pi is 22/7. Write 22 here, and again 7 to numerator. Okay, children, now use calculus and simplify yourself. You will get the answer, that is 35.7 centimeter. So this is what we called as radius of the circle. Clean up focus ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. 37.4 divided by pi/3. 37.4 ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, pi/3 pi ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, 3 ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಯಿತು, ಹೋಗಿದೆ. pi ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು 22/7. ಆ 7 ಮತ್ತೆ ಪುನಃ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ is 35.7 centimeter. Okay, children, just to pause the video and take down the notes. Next I shall take up another problem based on L is equals to r theta. Okay, children. Next problem. Next problem, that is, find the degree measure. Find the degree measure. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of the circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. Children, here also we should use the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Okay, children, it is also very simple problem. So here let us take down the first data. Find the degree measure of an angle subtended at the center of the circle of radius 100 centimeter. Here we should find the degree measure, that is the theta is equals to question mark. So here we need to keep the value of theta in terms of degree measure, not in terms of radian. Keep in your mind. Theta is equal to question mark in terms of dm. Dm stands for degree measure. Okay. Radius, they are given us radius of the circle, that is 100 centimeter. And also they are given us arc length, that is L is equals to 22 centimeter. It's a very simple problem, children. So we can find directly. So we have a formula, that is L is equals to r theta. Children, here we should find the value of theta. That's why theta is equals to L by r. That is theta is equals to, the value of L is 22 by the value of R is 100. The value of R is 100. Understand, children? So here we have taken clearly, find the degree measure, that is theta is equal to question mark in terms of degree measure. They are given us clearly in the data the value of radius, that is 100 centimeter, that is small r is equals to 100 centimeter, and also they are given us arc length, that is 22 centimeter. Understand, children? So here theta is equals to 22 by 100. Let us simplify this one to 11s to 50s, that is 11 by 50 in terms of, which is in radians. Children, here we need to keep the answer in terms of degree measure. Okay, that's why let us take theta is equals to 11 by 50 into degree measure formula is 180 by pi. That is theta is equals to 11 into 180 divided by 50 into the value of pi is 22 by 7. That is 22 into 7. So you will get the answer, that is 63 divided by 5 degree. So this is what we call as answer. Or you can convert this one in terms of fraction, that is 12 degree 36 minutes. That is theta is equals to 12 3 by 5 degree. Okay, children, I hope now we have got the idea how to convert the data in terms of degree measure. Children, Just you pause the video and take down the notes. Okay, children. Next, I shall take up another problem. That is, if the arcs of the same length in two circles subtended angles 65 degree and 110 degree at the center find the ratio of their radii. See children, it is also very simple problem. So here they have given us, if the arcs of the same length means L1 is equals to L2. Okay, in two circles subtends an angle theta 1 which is equals to 65 degree and theta 2 which is equals to 110 degree. At the center, find the ratio of their radii, that is R1 divided by R2 which is equals to question mark. ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಇದು. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 65 degree in terms of radian measure, that is 65 degree into pi by 180 degree. So which is equals to 13 pi by 36. Similarly, here I would like to convert theta 2 also. Theta 2 is equals to 110 degree, which is equals to 110 degree pi divided by 180, which is equals to 0 get cancelled, 11 by 18 pi radian. Okay, so here we should find R1 by R2 which is equals to question mark. They are given us clearly the value of L1 is equals to L2, that is R1 theta 1 which is equals to R2 theta 2. Children, just here we have converted theta 1 degree measure in terms of radian measure. Similarly, theta 2 degree measure in terms of radian measure. ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಜರನ್ನು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ 5 1s 5 3s 15, 5 3s 15, 5 6s 30, 13 pi radian divided by 36. Theta 2 is 110 degree, 0 get cancel ಆಯಿತು, 11 pi by 18 pi radian. L1 is equals to L2. They are given us arcs of the same length, that is R1 theta 1 which is equals to R2 theta 2. So here I need to write R1 by R2 which is equals to theta 2 divided by theta 1. R1 by R2 which is equals to, the value of theta 1 is 13 pi by 36 whole divided by theta 1 value is how much? 11 by 18 pi radian. Pi get cancelled. 18 ones are 18 twos are, so that you will get the answer, that is R1 by R2, which is equals to 22 divided by 13. 13 by 2 into 11. R1 by R2, which is equals to 13 by 2 whole divided by 11 by 1, that is 22 divided by 13. So this is what we called as answer. See children, how simple here we have the answers. Tumba simple agide. Theta 1 value ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, theta 2 value ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. L1 is equals to L2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. R1 theta 1 is equals to R2, theta 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. R1 by R2 is equals to theta 2 divided by theta 1. theta 2 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 13 pi divided by 36 ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. theta 1 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ that is 11 pi divided by 18 ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. simplification ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. You will get the answer very easily. Children, I hope ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. Similarly, here I would like to give you another problem for homework. So here just I changed the degree, that is 60 degree. Children, before that please write down the answer. 65 degree, 110 degree. Okay children, write neatly. Just to pause the video and write down the answer. Okay children, here I would like to give you another problem for homework. Same problem, just I changed only the degree value. Okay children, instead of 65 degree and 110 degree, just I will give you here only 60 degree and 75 degree. Okay children, let us take this problem as a homework problem. Okay children, I hope today concept is very important. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ. Children, please complete your notes and send me your completed notes to my WhatsApp number, that is 9141521145. Okay children, thank you. Keep learning, keep practicing your mathematics, that is first PUC mathematics. Thank you children.